How to do a Sendit on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can do a Sendit on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to do a Sendit on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to basically launch your Play Store, and then in the search box just type in Sendit, and this is the application that you might actually want to download. Once you've downloaded this application over here, open it up. If you're logging in for the first time, it'll ask you to sync with your Snapchat account, and after you've done that, you're going to see this type of interface where you can just choose any of the other questions or any of the other templates that you might like, depending upon what kind of questions that you might want to ask. Once you've done this, just tap the play option here. It'll directly open up the interface in your Snapchat application with this little pop-up right over here, as you would be able to find it. And now you can go ahead and then basically perform a Sendit. Depending upon the game, you can play the games as well. And this way you can go ahead and then basically do a Sendit on Snapchat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.